We're at Case, College of Agriculture and Science, located a few kilometers west of Port Antonio. Today we have a track meet between primary schools located here in Portland. The athletes are ready, the parents are here, so are the teachers. This should be interesting. Doesn't take much to bring out a crowd for these events. They are all here, the young and the not so young. Who the next Usain or Shellyan taking part here today? Only time will tell in a world full of uncertainty. It's been a nice sunny day with a slight breeze blowing off the Caribbean Sea, located a few hundred meters away. Let's check out some more of what's going on.